The world we live in is dynamic and ever-changing. Hence, there is always a need for innovative products which will help customers achieve better efficiency in business. At Sunsai Pharma Equipments, we care for our customers. Therefore, with the help of our agile and highly skilled team, we provide our clients equipments of superior quality and premium design. In order to meet our clients' combined needs of extrusion and spheronization, we proudly present Sunsai's fully automatic twin-screw Extruder-Spheroniser. This equipment unlocks new capabilities in pellets production. Fitted with an easy-to-use PLC, the user can achieve total process automation. The pelletization process involves 4 steps. In the first step, the material is placed in the top feeder. It is then fed into the twin-screw mechanism. This can be achieved both manually as well as automatically with the help of PLC. In this mechanism, the mixture gets converted into thin noodle shapes called extrudes. These extrudes are collected in a hopper, which is also an automated weighing scale. The hopper compares the weight with the input given by the PLC and in return controls the feeder action. The hopper then transfers the extrudes into the Spheroniser. Centrifugal force is created by the rapid rotation of the Spheroniser. This force combined with air suspension technique transforms the extrudes into spherical pellets, which are then discharged automatically. Immediately after the first hopper is emptied, with the help of a sliding mechanism, the second hopper starts its motion. The twin screw mechanisms are constantly running and creating extrudes. When the second hopper becomes full, it gets emptied into the second Spheroniser. Pellets, being one of the most popular multi-particulate dosage forms, are in huge demand in the market. Hence, bulk production is exceedingly essential. The intelligent provision of 2 hoppers and Spheronisers keeps the process running in a continuous cycle as long as the material is fed in the feeder. This helps us accomplish smooth, uninterrupted, and continuous pelletization. And for our customers, better time management and more efficient business. Sunsai Pharma Equipments, the best lifeline of pharma industry.